it way too hard to think that this could be what you love. It took a lot of hard shit just to learn how not to break.
Hey you guys, welcome back to my channel. Today we're working with Asteria hair. The wig did come in a baggie to store your wig in, and I'm going to show you all the goodies that were inside. So we have stocking cap, which I used one to do this install. You know, we gotta have an edge brush, elastic band. This looks like a headband or a scarf. And we got some lashes and another elastic band with Asteria on it. Love the goodies. Yeah, so this is, I'm gonna say this is 24 inch. Check the description box just to be sure, but this is I'm thinking if I remember correctly, it's a 24 inch, 180 density, 13 by 4. Yes, y'all, hold on, because I'm looking at myself, because this hair is cute, honey. I love Asteria hair. I think the last unit they sent me was either like a deep wave or curly. I don't know if it was the same texture, but honey, it's giving, okay? It's really giving. And I ain't gonna lie, I don't know, I want it bigger, so I'm probably gonna end up cutting some layers into it later. But this wig is bomb. Look at it. Don't play with Asteria. Yes, and it's still damp. It's not all the way dry, but yes, honey, I want it to be big. I'm gonna put some layers into this, but don't get it twisted. It looks great just like this. I'm loving it. I'm loving it. I'm loving it. It's so soft. Oh my god, y'all, look at this. Honey, if you want to see how I installed this wig, easy, beginner friendly, keep on watching. Okay, so I did not bleach the knots. I went ahead and plucked it and hot combed it. I did a little Widow's Peak action. So yeah, no bleach knots, straight out the pack, just plucked it. And we're gonna get started on the install. So I didn't do a ball cap method. I just put my hair in a ponytail, put my cap on, put some makeup on my cap, and that's it. No ball cap. It's gonna be an easy install, beginner friendly. All right, so since I didn't bleach the knots, I'm gonna go ahead and put some makeup on the lace. I'm using a liquid foundation, so I'm gonna put it on my hand first, let it like stiffen up to be more like a cream, and then apply it on. And I'm not gonna apply it to like the hairline part, because I want to melt it down before I put any makeup on it, because this is HD lace, so I like to put makeup on after. But I'm putting a little bit on before, since I didn't bleach the knots, and I'm just putting it on the inside, but not all the way up. Not all the way up.
Touch, I needed to distance myself from you. I was just in love with you, so I come close, won't you? Can I tell you something for what it's worth? When you have this place on earth, we'll take you there, I'll take you. Show you something, give you more than words. When you have this place on earth, we'll take you there, I'll take you there. Take you there, won't you? Fill me up till my cup's overflowing. I'm so anxious just to feel the silence. It's so so quiet, but I hear you. Say it to me, baby. Say our time we're making up time. The times you wasn't with me waking up. Now you never said I couldn't miss your touch. I needed to distance myself from you. I was just alone with you. So come close, won't you? Won't you? Can I tell you something for what it's worth? We've had it, that's all that take you there. Take you, show you something, give you more than words. We've had it, that's all that take you there. Take you there.
Alright, so that makeup is a little light. I still see a cast, and I know it's not all the way melted. So I'm going to go in with I'm gonna try this one first. It's the kisses for me. And when I'm guessing, like which shade I should use, I start like in the corner. I'm gonna take a little darker, mix them together. Actually, I'm gonna take, oh yeah, this is a different brush, okay. And I'm gonna go with that one, the mix of the two. Alright, so I just blow dried that little spot that was lifting up. Yeah, so it's not melted, still have a cast, but just trust the process, okay? Trust the process. And I never wear middle parts, so this is interesting. And y'all know I didn't bleach the knot, so we're gonna have to make the part, you know, a little bit better. Get it nice and straight. I have a hard time parting. Let me make sure I want to do a middle. Middle part, y'all. Middle part. Middle parts. Or side part. What is it giving? What is it giving? So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna do a middle part, and then, you know, I can do a side part later. I can flip this bad boy over.
Hello, stranger. It's been a minute since we last kicked it. And by the way, just got in town, and I won't let cumulus clouds all in the sky ruin my vibe. And usually I don't do this often, but since recruiting isn't an option, due to unusual rain and thunder, baby, I wonder, would you just put your sweats on for me? Yeah. I got the plug, I made the call for me. I'm talking late night for ya. Let me lay a great time on ya. Don't hesitate, no, don't you? Just say you will. Come through and chill. Just say you will. Come through and chill.
With you tonight is on an island. It's about time for waking up. The times you wasn't with me waking up. Now you feel said I couldn't miss your touch. I needed to distance myself from you. I was just in love with you. So come close, won't you? Can I tell you something for what it's worth? We can have it, place on earth. Take you there, I'll take you. Show you something, give you more than words. We can have it, place on earth. Take you there, I'll take you there. Take you there, won't you? Fill me up till my cup's overflowing. I'm so anxious just to feel the silence. It's so quiet, but I hear you saying to me, baby, it's about time we're making up time. The times you wasn't with me waking up. Now you never said I couldn't miss your touch. I needed to distance myself from you. I was just in love with you. So come close, won't you? Can I tell you something for what it's worth? We can have it, that's on earth. Take you there, I'll take you. Show you something, give you more than words. We can have it, that's on earth. Take you there, I'll take you there.
Capping like the narco. Got dope like Pablo. Cut throat like Pablo. Shot trees with the Draco. On the north got Diego. Say hasta luego. We'll be in rapping kilo. Snub nose with potato. Take out. No monkey in the jungle, blind hot like a sauna. Busting nothing, no one trying to weep an anaconda. Jumping in the water, trying to slip across the water. Got see yours out, got me beat by Verona. Out bag of money, knew I gotta have it. Savage, but I'm still a gentleman in Cali. Atlantic, nigga turn them in about the cabbage. Kill his whole family if you run off with the package. I just put a pack on the way to Bogota. Poke his eyes out, and I'm telling what he saw. Around watch out, I don't know if he'll talk. Get a chainsaw and I'ma saw our legs off. They know that we're a gang, but they say that we're a ring. Investigating, taking pictures of the whole team. Undercover trying to do his thing. Sitting there on a plane, going straight to Medellin. Trapping like the narco. Got dope like Pablo. Cut throat like Pablo. Shot trees with the Draco. On the north got Diego. Say hasta luego. We'll be in rapping kilo. Snub nose with potato. Hey. Cold gang with the cocaine. The more money make more rain. Going up a band while I'm bagging propane. Point blank range, give a nigga nose range. Skip to my Lou with the pack and the cat. Jiffy, Lou with the bricks bitch, where they at? Drippin', ooze, the paddock all wet. Birds in the truck, they ain't leaving at the nest. Yeah, 5 base set like milk. Yup, running with the pack, got slipped. Hands in the cookie jar, cut his finger off. Nigga being greedy, we gon' cut his tummy out. 100 bricks on the road, took a couple routes. Flush mama house, Hermes and Philly couch. I ain't really with the razzle dazzle. Knock him out, but then I throw him off the boat paddle. Go to Tijuana, put the kilo on the saddle. Sack him, hit a lick and cop a pterodactyl. Pap him, chop a bite down like an apple. Match it with the acres, with the horses in the cattle. Like a narco, got dope like Pablo. Cut dope like Pablo. Chop trees with the Draco. On the north, got Diego. Say hasta luego. We'll be in rapping kilo. Snub nose with potato.
Damn, Zeus, you too cold, bruh. What you doing?
Okay, so the hair is about 80% dry. I have to say this wig was easy to work with. As you can see, I did not bleach the knots. All I did was pluck it, put a little makeup on and throw it on, and voila. Like, didn't take much work at all. Yes, I love it. I want to say, I don't know if I like the more tamed look or the untamed look. Let me know which one y'all guys prefer. And yes, so I'm loving it.